In part 2, we're going to talk about drug classifications and their treatment uses. And the first thing we need to cover with that is the schedule system that we use to classify drugs. Now, in the schedule system, there are 5 levels in the schedule system. Schedule 1 is drugs that have no accepted medical value and are dangerous with high abuse potential. This ranges all the way down to Schedule 5, which are drugs that have an accepted medical use, but with the lowest abuse potential. So let's review Schedule 1 to 5 and look at examples for each one. With Schedule 1, these again are the drugs that have no accepted medical value and are dangerous with a high abuse potential. We are looking at drugs like heroin, LSD, ecstasy, and marijuana. Now, the interesting part about marijuana here is that even though marijuana is legal in some states and recreational in others, it is still on a federal level scheduled at Schedule 1. With Schedule 2, we're looking at drugs that have some accepted medical uses, but still a high abuse potential and stricter regulation because there is a high risk for dependence. So here we are looking at examples like OxyContin, fentanyl, morphine, cocaine, pure codeine, and methadone. Schedule 3. These are drugs that have accepted medical value but a moderate abuse potential. There is also a moderate risk for dependence. Here we're looking at ketamine, buprenorphine, and anabolic steroids. Later on, we're going to talk about medicated assisted treatment options and the difference between methadone and Suboxone. Because methadone is a Schedule 2, it comes with more regulation, and because buprenorphine is a Schedule 3, it comes with less regulation. When we look at Schedule 4 drugs, these are drugs that have an accepted medical use and a low abuse potential, but there is still a low risk for dependence. Here we have Xanax and Valium, which are your benzodiazepines, Soma, and Darvon. And with Schedule 5, we have drugs that have an accepted medical use with the lowest abuse potential, where there is a limited risk for dependence. Here we see cough syrup with codeine, which differs from just strict codeine, which is Schedule 2. We have Lyrica and we have Lomotil, which is an antidiarrheal drug. These drugs have generally low risk for abuse, however, still some risk for abuse.